Hey my goddesses, it's your girl Empress Natalie. So today we're going to be doing an easy wing liner. It is beginner friendly, it doesn't take that much time, affordable. You can use any cream liner that you would like. If you'd like to see how I did this liner look, please stay tuned.
It's super smooth, super curvy and super cool. Not a geese, but she on the goose. Or the brown when she getting loose. Get both, she ain't gotta choose. Too loud when she with the crew. Bust a plate, now she on the move.
Alright y'all, so to get started, all you're gonna need is a cream eyeliner. I like creams better because it kind of has a smoother consistency when I try to do it. The one I use is Lock Your Liner by L'Oreal Infallible. Okay, and then all you're gonna need is also a angled brush. I like to use a very thin slanted angled brush to really help me get that defined liner look. Okay, so when you're starting, you want to always close the eye that you're trying to do, and then you want to kind of just trace it over with your brush. Depending on how thick you want to do it is how up you'll go, but you always want to do it at an angle. But like if I'm trying to have like a little thicker consistency today.
What?
So I am gonna go a little higher than usual, but if you're trying to make it a little thinner, you just want to always want to slant, but always go a little less. Alright, and then to get that wing, you want to take it from the bottom and angle up. So you can see how both of them are meeting, and I always kind of like trace it. There you go, and then you just want to fill it in. Honestly, sometimes it's a hit or miss, but you can always fix it with concealer. So like how you see right here, it's not as straight. I always take an angle brush with some concealer on there, and then you want to kind of clean it up. To drag a little, so I'm gonna and there we go. So remember the other eye, when you do it and it's not the same, you can always clean it up with concealer to try to make it the same. It's okay if you mess up, you can always clean it up with concealer. All right, and there we go. I always kind of get like a little makeup smudge, but I kind of clean it up. All right, and there we go. It's easy. Like I said, you can always clean it up when you have, when you make any mistakes. You can always clean it up with an angle brush and some concealer. That's all you have to do. All right, my goddesses, so that is how you do a simple wing liner. It doesn't take that much time to do, and it's not expensive. You can use any cream liner that you like, or you can use liquid liners too, but I just find that using a cream liner helps way better to get like the proper consistency that you want. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.